Have you ever stared at a blank to-do list, feeling more overwhelmed than organized? Or maybe you've juggled multiple projects, assignments, and deadlines until your brain felt like it was about to explode? If you're a student nodding along right now, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of ClickUp and exploring whether this popular productivity tool is a student's secret weapon or just another app to clutter your digital life. Let's face it, students are juggling a lot. Classes, assignments, exams, extracurriculars, and let's not forget the elusive concept of a social life. With so many balls in the air, staying organized can feel like herding cats. That's where productivity tools like ClickUp come into play. But is it really worth it for students? Let's break it down. First off, what is ClickUp? In essence, it's a project management tool that's morphed into a versatile platform capable of handling everything from simple to-do lists to complex workflows. It boasts features like task management, goal setting, time tracking, and even document sharing. But can it truly be a game changer for students? Let's start with the basics. Task management. ClickUp lets you create tasks, subtasks, and checklists. You can assign due dates, priorities, and even add dependencies. This could be a lifesaver for managing assignments, projects, and study schedules. Imagine having all your tasks in one place, neatly organized and color-coded. Sounds dreamy, right? But task management is just the tip of the iceberg. ClickUp also offers features like goals. You can set long-term goals, break them down into smaller steps, and track your progress. This could be a powerful tool for students aiming for academic success. Picture this, you have a big exam coming up. You set a goal, break it down into study sessions, and track your progress. Suddenly, that daunting exam feels a little less scary. Time tracking is another feature that could benefit students. ClickUp allows you to see how much time you're spending on different tasks. This can be helpful for identifying time-wasting activities and optimizing your study habits. Plus, if you're working on group projects, time tracking can help ensure everyone's pulling their weight. Collaboration is another key aspect of student life, and ClickUp has you covered. You can create shared spaces, assign tasks to group members, and leave comments. This can be a game changer for group projects. No more endless email chains or confusion about who's doing what. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Is ClickUp too complex for students? The truth is, it has a learning curve. With so many features and options, it can be overwhelming at first. But don't let that scare you off. ClickUp offers plenty of tutorials and resources to help you get started. And once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. So, is ClickUp worth it for students? The answer is, it depends. If you're someone who struggles with staying organized, managing multiple projects, or tracking your time, then ClickUp could be a game changer. However, if you're someone who prefers a simpler approach, there are other options out there. Ultimately, the best productivity tool is the one that works for you. Experiment with different options and find what helps you stay on top of your studies. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.